You will be looking how we are going to draw a pie charts in Python, and we will be looking from the start. Let's say we will be having basic pie chart, and then we will be customizing that chart. So in the first video we will be drawing a basic pie chart in Python. So for that we will just need, you can say, the Titanic dataset. So we will first import our both libraries that we will be using, Seaborn and Matplotlib. And now we'll also load our dataset. So we will assign a name df sns dot load dataset, and we'll assign Titanic. And then we will print it, printf at 4. We will be using the pandas data frame. Now it will load our dataset, and after that we will try to draw a pie chart. And for pie chart we'll see what we are going to use. So okay, so I think we're here, we don't need the brackets here, so let's remove that. Okay, so we have now printed our data set. So we also have loaded library. So after that, now we will look how we are going to draw a pie chart. So the first step we need to do is we'll look. So now we have different, for what are pie charts used? Pie charts are used to, for proportion of percent, we can say quantities as a whole. So we'll be looking at the quantities. So let's say we have, here we have the class. So we'll be counting the class and see how many class of them have highest, we can say, rating, or which of class have highest people. So you'll be looking at the class percentage here. So first we will assign class count, and for class counts we will be, let's say we'll be using Titanic. We'll be using Titan. We will be using, we already have assigned a name df. So for df we will use the class. We are taking class, and after class we will make it values count, and for real count we will just put into brackets, so in order to give us the values. So now after that we have counted the class, so we will just now assign plot figure size. And for figure size we can say we'll use whatever we want, but we will use 8 by 8. That will work. So now we have to plot our pie chart. So we will write plot.py. So we will use class counts that we already here, we already calculated it. So after the class counts we will use labels, and what we have in labels, we have the class counts index, class counts dot index. And what other thing we need, we need to display it in percentage, so we'll use auto percentage. And for that we will assign, let's say we'll assign percent 1.1, so it will display value with 1 only, not so many numbers, and it will display the percent. So after that we will be setting the start angle, and for start angle we will put into 90. And now after that we will assign title, and for title we will use distrib distribution of passengers. Now we'll show the plot. It's the simplest code we can use. It's just we can say 5 lines of code. We are drawing a pie chart here. So it's just 5 lines of code, so we need to simplify it as much as possible because our main idea is to get to know what we have in the data. So here we are seeing that the proportions, and we are seeing it in percentage. So that's how we are going to draw a pie chart in the most simplest way possible. And we'll be further looking at different things in other videos, how to customize, how to change colors, how to give a legend here. So that's what we will be doing. So that's all for the video, how to draw a pie chart in Python.